Hey guys, my name's Tom, or that's Check, and welcome back to Pokemon Omicron. We have to go into this tower now, if I remember correctly, and yeah, let's get on with it. Let's go in. Hey. Welcome to the Psychic Temple of Aegis Town. Many different trainers come here to train themselves against a myriad of psychic Pokemon. At the moment, the top floor is closed, but you can explore the other ones if you wish. Okay, defending type, psychic. Bug, ghost, and dark. Okay. Foxy. Yeah, we'll go with you. You lead the charge. We can catch Pokemon in here, can't we? Because it's a different area, so... Can we read these like you could in the old game? No. What about this? Okay. Hey, you can't go through there. Oh, I've got my mouse in the way. Oh, sorry, let me move that. A Pidgeotto. Oh, it's level 20. Okay. Just cover it. I wouldn't mind an Espeon. So, if you could level up Foxy and then have the happiness level to do it, I wouldn't mind. Although saying that, it's now 7 o'clock, so I don't know when they actually consider it dark, so it might turn into an Umbreon. Either way, those two are perfectly good Pokemon. But I would like a Espeon. These quick attacks, though. Quick attack for Foxy gets same type stab, so I don't know why I'm not using it as well. Charm. Well, let me read what Charm does, but I think I know what it does, but still. Targets attack, yeah, no, I'm alright, thanks. Yes. Evolve. Come on, Foxy. Let's heal up. If I have a normal potion, that will do. We do. And then we'll use a berry. Might as well do that. Probably should have healed up before I came in here. Oh well. Right. Do we have any TMs we could teach Foxy actually while I'm here? Can you learn? No. A secret move that opens up secret passages. Grass knot. Cut we will need, I think. Let's see if you can learn grass knot. No. Nacho is, but he won't. He doesn't need grass knot. I don't think. Ha! Team Olympus is taking over. Get out of here. No. And where's the random Pokemon you can encounter? A Slugma. Now this might have the burn skin thing, but we're just gonna have to go for it. Nice. That one shot. Damn it. Flame body. Let's look. We have just the right treatment. There we go. Berries are cheaper than potions and stuff. Hey, get out of here. What if I don't want to? He's sending out a Golbat. Interesting. Look at that giant mouth. Probably could eat Foxy. Oh god, here comes a confused race spam attack. Come on, Foxy. You're better than that. Oh, that hit hard. Will it predict the switch? Which they always, for some reason, they'll spam Confuse Ray anyway, so... Wow. It did. It predicted the switch. But Gaius is too intelligent for this. Damn it, Gaius. It did as much as my leftovers healed. Okay, come on, Gaius. Now you gotta get on with this now. Come on. There you go. Well done. He made it through, guys. He made it through. Artemis will something or other. Artemis will fail. There we go. Let's go up these ones. Hey. Truth be told, I only joined Team Olympus for the health benefits. Fair enough. I wonder what sort of stuff they offer. A Sneasel. Just Covet. It's not a ghost type, so bye. We're starting to get a little bit higher leveled for this area. Hey, you're the nasty kid from Onega Town. Yes, I am. And I'm taking revenge for what you did to my house. Weavile this time. He's real dark, isn't he? I wonder if a quick attack would be enough. It will. Nice. Well done, Foxy. Yes, the levels. Please evolve. Oh my god. I'm probably doing something wrong. I'm sure it's to do with happiness levels, so winning battles and leveling up and everything, not letting them faint. Stay out of here. Team Olympus is training and looking for rare Pokemon. Rare Pokemon, you say? Interesting. Kirilla, okay. That's psychic, isn't it? Yeah. Bye. Foxy's taking out the trash. Foxy is MVP. I'm gonna do a battle everybody down there before I go. I didn't, did I? There's someone up in that. Why is he separate? Oh, a random battle. Here we go. This is our Pokemon for the area. I don't even want this. Well, Foxy obviously didn't want it either. Oops. Where am I going? Let's go this way. Oh, now they will start popping up. Is it more Spoink? Oh no, it's a Pokemon that I would have loved to have had. One of my favourite, probably my favourite Pokemon. But now he even outspeeds Foxy. I'm sure he could have survived a quick attack. I just want to go and battle this other trainer. How'd you get to him? Interesting. I don't like this tower very much, but I must endure it for my raise. Oh, it's a ferret again. Come on, Foxy, you got a 10 level advantage. Oh my god, so much damage. Now, can you kill it with a quick attack? Yes, you can. Well done. You're still getting so much XP because you're a traded Pokemon. It's ridiculous. And let's give you a super potion. And let's be on our way. Can we go? We can go up this way. So, oh, what is this? It's another Kadabra. It's level 20 Kadabra. It's gonna just get bitten and then it will die. Level up. Is it gonna be a level up? 534? Yes, nice, Foxy. Now, oh my god, I'm doing something wrong. Wow, that's cruel. Okay, now this is starting to get my nerves. Oh, it's that weird, like, I don't even know what to describe that Pokemon with. We have to go around all the way. Sorry, it's my stupidity. It's my fault when we go up this way. Here we are. No, we battled all of these guys, didn't we? So up here. And let's just... Whoops. I said, move out of the way. Sir, I'm afraid I cannot. It's against protocol. A dangerous Pokemon has taken roost up there. It could be hazardous and life-threatening. You idiot, that's what Team Olympus is here for. Now move out of the way or I'll be forced to hurt you. Sir, I cannot. It would be against the... Yeah. Artemis, just let the poor guard be, alright? So, Artemis, you've returned to Agiza's last. Don't visit the gym. Why, scared of an old friend? Jonathan, it's been a while. How's the criminal charge faring? I thought your sentence lasted at least another 2 years. They let me out early for good behaviour. They knew deep down that it wasn't me who killed that family. Oh god. Oh right, how old was the kid again? 6. And on his birthday too. Oh god, this Artemis is a bit dodgy. What a shame. Shut up, I'll battle you right here, right now. I think not, and seeing as this foolish guard is standing in a Team Olympus way, I'll be taking my leave. I'll be sure blah 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 blah. Ta-ta. That dirty, rotten, lying son of a bitch. I'm sorry you had to hear all that. Blah blah blah. Come help me out in my gym. See if you can beat me. I need to loosen up. See, blah blah. Okay. Can you let me up there? Damn it. No, you'll never reach the top. Are you sure about that? Golbat, hey? Let us covet it. Oh, it's level 31, so now it doesn't listen to me. I made a big mistake. Come on. Confuse and you don't listen. Nice. Foxy should listen to me. Foxy, don't be so rude. Exactly. See, look what happens when you listen to me, Foxy. Impossible. I'd see if you could find it highly possible that I could beat shit like you, mate. Oh, for God's sake. These battles. These Kadabra are coming thick and fast. We'll just leave that one. Let's go up here. Oh my god. I'm actually going to pop a repel in a minute. Oh look, it's a Egglium. I'm going to bite this just for fun. Bye. Come on then. Let's go. Oh. Here we are. Bottom floor. What'd you say? Same thing? Let's just skip it all then. Yep. Thank you. Bye. Well, it looks like we're not going to be using Foxy in the next gym, which is a pity. What did they say it was? Let's go and see. Where is... Let's go in here quickly first. Should we speak? That guy on the left looks suspicious. I want to see what he has to say. Oh, he's the custom move, isn't it? Wait a minute, who knows the custom move at the moment? Oh yeah. Well, let us go and see what type of gym this is, and maybe we can custom the move, the colour to the gym. Okay. Well, I can't use... Oh, it was the fishing rod. Here's the gym, and it says... Jonathan, the tough rock type trainer. Well, you don't have any water moves here, do you? We have a grass move though. That'll do. What am I talking about? Let's go. We got this. Can I not? No, it doesn't. Fire, flying, bug or ice. Fighting, steel, water, grass or ground. Hey, you're miles away from Jonathan. Timothy, eh? Or Lunatone. Let's see how much this grass move does. Bye. Neptune OP. You don't need that stab. Can't let it get over leveled though, because we want to actually use it in the actual battle. So, oh, Sandstorm. Darude is now pounding your ears. No, the Surdy. Ooh. No. Neptune held on. No, Sandstorm. No. Oh my god. Fuck's sake. Oh. Don't use fire, don't use flying. Oh, fucking hell, man. No, it doesn't affect him. Whoops. And you're gonna use... That'll do. Shit, we lost Neptune after I took so long to train him from a Magikarp. Damn it. I didn't see, but I don't care. You're gonna get water blasted in the face. Hydro Pump is coming your way. Oh no, we've got Uproar. I thought I needed 2 Pokemon. Oh well. Gaius, can you stop uproaring? Oh no, it rock polished. P doesn't have any moves that would take advantage of that. Did I use... I did use Water Pump. I don't think I did. No, I didn't. Oh my god. Hydro Pump. I need Hydro Pump. Oh, for God's sake. Get out of here. There's that. Ominous Wind. Wow, that sounds interesting. The user blasts the target with a gust of repulsive wind. It may also erase all the user's stats at once. I'd rather have that over a Confused Ray, I think. Okay, so now that's pushed another way. Let's go and lay Neptune to rest. Oh my god. Bloody Graveler, man. Tom's... No, not my PC. Wyatt's PC. Neptune, you couldn't serve us at all, really. Sorry. The box is filling, and it's not good. What type is Sandshrew? Sandy's ground. I might go and level Sandy up. Ground would be quite useful. Hey Graveler. Hey Geo. Let's go. Let's go see what we have in here. Okay, up here. Let's just do this first. We have to go past this guy. All fossil Pokemon are rock type, but not all rock type Pokemon are fossils. Thanks for letting me know. Stupid hikers. Falk Reef. A Kabuto. Darude is playing. Yeah. Of course it knows a grass move. Bye. No. This is water. So we just spam magnitude. Geo can carry. No. Actually, what am I talking about? Geo can't carry against an Omnite. I am fucking retarded sometimes. Wow, I just said that. Yeah. Whoops. Oh, I just got a text. Let's see what this is. O2. Buy it. Oh yeah, you're too high level, aren't you? This is gonna be the worst gym ever. Oh, I forgot to say. So Geo's dead now. Flinch hacks, please. Now, Foxy, I need you to listen to me. Please be enough. Yes. Okay. There's a second one. There's a third one, isn't there? What was that? I don't even know. Gaius can go out. Oh, a Lilleep. What? Why? What is it? What the fuck is that? Oh, I'm actually pissed off right now. I'm going to end this episode after this and then do some training. Geo is also dead. Sorry, Geo. It looks like it would be like Ghost or something, which makes me think. Anyway, let's just Hydro Pump it. Oh, I used Ominous Wind somehow. Why is it going to the second row? Oh, it doesn't even matter. Oh, it's starting to get set up. Interesting. I just need to Hydro Pump it quick time. Right, use that please. Gaius. Thank you. It's on acid. I want to see what Ominous Wind is like. Out of interest. Go on, actually use it, yeah. Did nothing. This Lilleep is actually really annoying. I want it out of the way. Go on. Oh my god. Okay. I know no one wants to listen to me being pissed off, but I am a little bit pissed off, seeing as it was my fault anyway. Just get it out of the way. Why would I be so stupid as to expect Geo to stand up to a bloody Omnistar? Ah, Geo's dead. I'm gonna have to say sorry to Geo. The real Geo, that is. Because this one can't hear anything anymore. I wonder if there's a route that I can go and catch Pokemon on quickly. So Geo, you're joining the box, mate. Sorry. I forgot to take the items. Oh. That's terrible. Someone's pissed. We're gonna release everybody at the end of the game. Hopefully. If I can make it that far, that is. Hey Eevee, will you hurry up and evolve, please? Let's go south. Can we go south? We can go in the cave. What's in the cave? What? Oh, for fuck's sake. We caught a sand shrew. We have one in the pie. Is there anything here? What's up here? So that's the cave entrance there. Oh, it's my secret base. Duh. Why am I not using them? And the bike. Let's go, Eevee. You're gonna have to run. Now, up here is Route 308.5 or whatever. And I don't know. Did I catch something here? I don't think I did. I may have attempted to catch something, but then killed it. I'm not sure now. I'm gonna have to leave it because I don't know. Ooh, I do feel like going up there and catching something, and even if I am wrong, just cause F the Nuzlocke rules sometimes. Anyway, I'm gonna do some training. I will be back later. I will speak to you again. This series, as always, is going to be up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think. Yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, and then No, it's Tuesday, Friday, and then Minecraft one is Monday, Thursday. What's it supposed to be anyway? Alright, thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later. Goodbye.